The Xfinity router's Ethernet port blinking orange indicates a connectivity issue, which can be caused by outdated firmware. When the firmware is being updated, the light will blink orange. And waiting for the update to finish or manually updating the firmware through the manufacturer's website can resolve the issue. To update the firmware, download the latest version from the website, unzip the file if necessary, and then access the router's web interface to select the downloaded file and initiate the update. Another possible cause of the blinking orange light is overloading, which can be addressed by restarting the router. This involves switching off all connected devices, disconnecting the router from the power source, waiting for about a minute, and then reconnecting the router and turning the devices back on to check the status light. In some cases, the orange blinking may be due to an internet service provider outage, in which case checking the provider's website or contacting their customer support can confirm and potentially resolve the issue.